Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a quick tip on installing an Edge alternator, or any alternator as a matter of fact, really, but particularly this one here. When you're putting this in, it's very tight between here and here. It's a very tight spot within the car. So when this is pushed in, it sticks out just a little bit too much and it's very, very tight. So you can see there's a nut on this side here. All you got to do is you take a socket, put it over that, use a clamp, and just push a little bit, just a smidge. You don't want much, you don't want the nut to pop out, just a little bit. So this one here, actually I just pulled it out about a 1/16 of an inch. When you do that, the alternator will slip in nice and easy. If it's too much play, just press it back a little bit, but just go a little bit at a time, just 1/16. That's all you need, even if that, just a hair actually, and it'll just pop right in. Cheers.